Hello everyone, welcome to my presentation for individual home assignment 4. Today we'll take a focused look at requirements engineering, specifically how it's carried out in two key software development frameworks, Waterfall and Agile. By the end, you will grasp their unique approaches, real-world uses, and key differences. Let's get started. First, let's set a common ground. Requirement engineering is the process of electing, analyzing, specifying, validating, and managing the needs that define a software system. Its its core goals make sure the software meets what stakeholders want, give a clear foundation for design and development, and avoid expensive rework by getting requirements right early on. Now, let's talk about waterfall. It's a strict model with distinct phases. First, the requirements gathering and analysis, then system design, implementation, testing, development, and finally maintenance. The critical rule here is that each phase must be fully completed before moving to the next. There's almost no going back to adjust the earlier steps. In Waterfall, requirements engineering happens entirely in an initial phase. We create detailed documents, think comprehensive space covering both functional needs, what the software does, and non-functional needs like performance or security. Stakeholders review and sign off on these docs to confirm alignment, and after that, their involvement is minimal, useless, major issues come up. A great example of waterfall in action is a government tax filing system. Tax rules are stable and regulated, so we spend months in workshops with experts, agency leaders, and lawyers to define every form, calculation, and security rule. The end product is a 300-page requirements document. Agency directors and legal teams review it thoroughly, sign off, and only then do we move to the design phase. Now, let's shift to Agile. Unlike Waterfall, Agile is iterative and incremental. Work is slipped into short cycles called sprints, and the goal is to deliver small working pieces of software each sprint. It's all about collaboration. Testers, devs, designers, and stakeholders work closely and adapting to changes quickly. Popular agile methods include Scrum, Kanban, and extreme programming. Requirements engineering in Agile, iterative and evolving. In Agile, requirements in engineering is ongoing, not one and done. We use user stories, simple statements like, as a user, I want to upload photos so I can share them to capture needs. Big goals are broken into small user stories, prioritized by stakeholders, and put into sprints. After each sprint, we demo the working software, get feedback, and refine or add new stories. Documentation stays lightweight, no thick speaks, just what the team needs to work. Take a photo sharing social media app. Social trends change fast, so Agile fits perfectly. We start with high level epics like users share photos or users follow others. For Sprint 1, we pick critical user stories, upload photos from a phone, view a feed of followed users. After demoing the basic version, stakeholders say add photo filters and comment notification. Those become new stories for Sprint 2. Requirements evolve with real feedback. Let's compare the two side by side. For timing, Waterfall locks in requirements up front. Agile gathers them iteratively across sprints. Documentation, Waterfall uses heavy, detailed docs. Agile uses light user stories and backlogs. Stakeholders involvement. Waterfall needs heavy early input than little. Agile keeps stakeholders engaged throughout. Flexibility. Waterfall makes changes hard and costly. Agile expects and welcomes change between sprints. Waterfall is ideal for projects with strict rules like medical devices or banking systems, where requirements are stable and documentation is mandatory. Agile shines for projects with unclear or evolving needs like startup apps or consumer tools, where rapid feedback and quick adjustments matter most. Then let us to take a conclusion. To wrap up, both waterfall and agile work for requirements engineering, but they fit different scenarios. The key to success is matching the framework to your project's needs. How stable requirements are, how much flexibility you need, how available stakeholders are, and your organization's culture. There's no best framework, just the right one for the job. And thank you for your attention today. I hope this presentation helped clarify how Waterfall and Agile handle requirements engineering.